Children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, we all started now with the innovative classes, that is the online classes. You all understood, I think, why the change is happened. Till now we studied the classes in the school classroom, but it's a time to learn something in the mobile. So you people like to hold a mobile, but okay, you people who like to hold a mobile, but don't misuse the mobile, just use it for the study's sake. Okay, be safe at a home. Why? Because the coronavirus is spread everywhere, so it is not a safe to go out. We should keep ourselves safe first. So for that purpose we have started the online classes. Just take a use of it, don't misuse. Okay, let us start with the first chapter, that is a matter in our surroundings. Yes, before starting the unit, let me say some words. You already know that in the Play Store app there is one option, that is NCERT books and solutions. So you can download it, just install it, you'll get the textbook and even the solutions and some related videos and many of the notes. So it will be helpful in the off time till the school gets started. After the school start we will provide you, but till then with this video class that may help you a lot. Okay, let me start the class. Chapter 1, matter in our surrounding. You might have got a question in a head that what is this matter, and that is also in our surrounding. Yes, as we look our nature, we can see many things. So like stone, sand, water, everything, many things we can see, even the plants and all. So whichever or everything in this universe, it is made up of a materials, means many of the materials which scientists have named as a matter. Just you can see the sentence here, the everything that in this universe is made up of a material, means any a material, if it takes or occupies the space in the surrounding, means we can call it as a matter. So you can just take one idea in the mind that if you hold a chalk piece in a hand, if you just crash it, means you will get small particles, means the very smallest particle is in a matter. So that smallest particles, many particles together, we can find out the materials, binding of many of the matter, smallest particle together we can prepare as a material. So like this we can name it as a matter. So earlier people, means the early Indian philosophers, they used to classify these matters into a pancha tattvas, that you can see here: air, earth, fire, sky and a water. Yes, you can means you heard might be in a Kannada, panchabhutagalu. Yes, so the same. So this is what the panchabhutagalu means, the pancha tattvas: air, earth, fire, sky and the water. So next is the physical nature of the matter. So we can see many of the natures in the matter. Is this matter, one a single matter cannot prepare a material, many matter particles together we can find a material. So new modern philosophers or scientists, what they said, just let's look. Matter is made up of particles means the smallest particle. See how to guess the particle is in a matter. There is one activity here. Here it is, just I had here in the textbook they shown, first in the beaker, that is of 100 ml of a beaker, in that they added a magnified, see, just you can see the video here, the activity here. Okay, sorry for the interval, that was not clear, the page. Okay, so what the activity done here, see, first in the beaker there is 100 ml of a beaker, in that we have added a water, and we just marked first the level of a water till where we have added the water. So next what we have done, 1 spoon of a salt or a sugar, just add it with the spoon and just stir it with the stirrer, and then afterwards, after dissolving the salt or a sugar, just mark the level. What happens? Mark the water of a mark, level of the water, can it increases? Yes, definitely. Just you can try it at home. Just try it. Easily you will get water and the salt or a sugar in a home, and instead of a stirrer you can use as a spoon only to stir it well. Okay, so it shows what this activity shown. It shows the matter occupies the space, how the water level increased. Yes, right. So it shows the level, means it occupied the space in the water. Even water has a already occupied the space. With that increased level of water shows the particles occupies the space. Okay, let's see the next character. How small are these particles of a matter? How small? Can you guess? We cannot even see the these particles of a matter, such very small, tiny. So we'll see how small these are here. Another one activity. Just look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beakers. I think just confused, pink, white, whatever, what all it is. You might have done this with yes, while preparing rasna juice and all. Yes, if you go on diluting, means it its color goes less but not stops completely. Okay, let us see what they done. First, in the beaker 100 ml of water, in that some amount of few crystals of potassium permanganate they added. So after adding some amount of crystals of potassium permanganate, the 100 ml level of water change the color to pink color. Then that pink color potassium permanganate water, we have taken a 10 ml, only a 10 ml from that beaker, from this beaker. 10 ml of a potassium permanganate water we have added in the pure water in the next beaker. Okay, that from this beaker 10 ml, only the 10 ml of a water is added in the next beaker. Then little bit dull color. Okay, then again we have taken the 10 ml again from this beaker and we have added in the next beaker. Okay, then little bit of a color dull. Okay, then next again from this beaker we have taken again 10 ml. Then in the next pure water, 100 ml of a pure water, in that again 10 ml. So color is gone, changing its capacity, means the concentration, means it was very concentrated, it is gone getting diluted, but the color is still remained. Small particles they occupies the space in the water. So it shows it is the particles will be very small, they can dilute in many levels. Yes, understood. This is what we two characters we studied, that is the about the matter. Let me conclude. So first was the matter is made up of particles with sugar and sugar or a salt solution, and next it is a very smallest matter, it occupies the space. So we'll see next everything in the next class with the detail. This was just an introduction class. I hope you all understood better. Thank you. Just make a use, download the app of NCERT Books and Solutions and start studying. Thank you, one and all.